Hi everyone, and welcome to 9 Opal Place in Yaroomba. We often value land and the property that sits on it, but what we don't consider is the value of the experience of living in that home. To quote the owners, they've never lived in a home where they've experienced such space and openness. A calming abode where your imagination runs wild. Your neighbours are kangaroos and flocks of birds that fly west to east in the morning and then return home at dusk. At night they become stargazers and feel it's the best place to view a full moon whilst only hearing the sounds of the ocean. The 360-degree views give you the perfect blend of ocean and hinterland. You're resting high to take in the ocean breezes, and as the home cantilevers out, it is also extremely private, which is a difficult combination to find in this area. Inside the home, the design offers a flexible floor plan with the ability for self-contained living on the bottom level, perfect for visitors or larger families. The main level has been well thought out with easy access for the owners and guests. On one side is a tropical, private pool with views through the home and to Mount Coolum, and the other an external balcony, perfect to enjoy coffee while the sun rises over the water, and a wine while the sun sets over Mount Nindri. The kitchen, dining and living area is grand and perfect for entertaining a large group or simply soaking in the sense of space. The top level is a private hideaway with a master retreat, walk-in robe and open ensuite, where you can enjoy the best views of the home from the shower every day. There is also a fourth bedroom and a work from home space. Yaroomba is a small coastal town that's sometimes forgotten about, and that's what a lot of the locals like. It's peaceful and is connected with the environment it's built in, which changes as the sun rises and sets. Close enough to Coolum and Mount Coolum to have the necessary amenities, but far enough away to live a peaceful life. For those interstate and overseas, we're more than happy to show you through virtually. I'm Joel Hood, and I look forward to meeting with you soon.